You ever notice how one person yawns and suddenly it's like a chain reaction? It's wild! Someone lets out a big yawn, and before you know it, the whole room is yawning too. Why does that happen? It's all about something called the mirror neuron effect. Our brains are wired to mimic what we see. When we see someone yawn, those mirror neurons light up, and it's like our brain says, "Hey, I should do that too." But it goes deeper than just copying. It's tied to empathy. The more empathetic you are, the stronger that yawn response becomes. So, if you're feeling connected to someone, you're more likely to yawn right along with them. It's like a social bonding thing. So, if you find yourself yawning right now, well, it might just be my fault.